my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. I got some bad news for you guys today. First off, I want to say I'm really sorry, man. I know I hyped this up so much. I told you guys that the car was going to be going 150 shot, and that's just not the case anymore. Well, guys, I was going to be doing the 150 shot, but with Texas 2K coming up, we're about 2 weeks. We have 2 weeks left, and you know, just my work schedule, man. I don't do YouTube full time, sadly. You know, I just don't have the following and the views that are coming in to, you know, be able to provide that. So I do work a full-time job. I'm barely off any days, and you know, me and my tuner, he works also, so you know, it's just kind of hard for us to work something out where we could get the car on the dyno, and you know, we were just not able to do it. There's always like a good and bad part to you know, to bad news. So the bad news is we're not gonna be able to go to 150 shot. We're not gonna be able to see what the car made. We're not gonna be able to dyno the car, see what the car made with the new intake manifold, as you guys can see. But the good part is, man, we're gonna be going to Texas 2K anyways. We're gonna be drag racing the car on the 100 shot again, which I already had previous experience with, as you guys remember from the last time when I went to North Carolina. It's drag raced over there. But yeah, man, so we're gonna be throwing the 100 shot jets back in right now because I had the 150 jets loaded in, ready for the dyno appointment. So yeah, man, like I said before, I was really interrupted. I will be in Houston the whole Texas 2K week. I am going to be at this event on Friday, March 13th at Houston Motorsports Park. I'm gonna be drag racing the car there. I believe it's an 8th mile, man. I'm gonna be there drag racing probably from the morning all the way until the afternoon, trying to get some good times for you guys, get a good video for you guys. So if you guys are in the Houston area, anywhere around, you guys are gonna be at 2K. That's where I will be Friday if you guys want to link up or anything like that. I'm gonna be bringing you guys daily vlogs the whole week, so look forward to that, man. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at FourPointSixChris if you guys are in the Houston area. I will be posting a lot of updates where I'm at, where I will be, if you guys want to link up with me or not. But I'm looking forward to the drag racing day. If you guys want to drag race against me, that would be cool, man. I'll be there. Without further ado, man, we're gonna go ahead and get these 150 shot jets out. Sadly, we weren't able to do it. And further questions you guys probably are wondering, are you gonna 150 shot in the future? Probably not, man. To be honest, when I get back from 2K, I plan on really stacking my bread and coming back even harder. After this, I'm probably gonna pull the motor out, build the motor, and get ready for some forced induction with Nitrous. So with that being said, man, I want to send a huge shout out to my guys over here at Nitrous Express, my one and only sponsor, man. They are so supportive of me and what I do, man. I love you guys so much, man. Thank y'all so much for, you know, believing in me, believing in the build. And you know, these guys want to do like direct port injection on my intake manifold, and when I build the motor and stuff like that, make some big power off nitrous. So you know, that's what's to come in the future. So you guys do not want to miss it, man. This 2 valve is gonna be putting in work. I do have a clip that never made the videos. I'm gonna put this clip in right here that Nitrous Express sent me a care package, so you guys go ahead and watch that. Just real quick, I remember I told you guys last time that Nitrous Express sponsored us. Well, look at this big girl right here, man. 15-pound bottle, that Lightning 500 bottle valve. And this thing is just absolutely gorgeous, man. I reached out to my boy Ryan over there. Ryan, thank you so much for all the support and, you know, just helping out with the channel so much. I told him that I needed a 15-pound bottle because we're gonna be spraying a bigger shot, man. And that 10-pound bottle is just going through so fast. I'd rather have this one just on deck. Probably gonna keep that 10-pound around just so if it's a long night of racing, I won't have to go fill it up. I'll just throw the 10-pound bottle in and we'll be straight. And these guys also sent us out some mad merch, man. So that you guys can see right here, it says made in the USA, Nitrous Express, and it says sprayed in Mexico. That's a sick shirt. And this one is just a Nitrous Express shirt right here. And then this one has a Nitrous Express in the front, and it says my Gap insurance. So yeah, man, I really appreciate these guys over there at Nitrous Express. If you guys are ever thinking about a kit, please go with Nitrous Express, man. They are so helpful. I even bought my kit pre-owned. I didn't even buy it through them, but when I bought it pre-owned, I had to piece some stuff together, and they were totally worth it. Some companies are like, oh, you didn't buy it from us, we're not gonna help you out, but that's not the case with Nitrous Express. They're so amazing. This kit that I got, he helped me out with this. I actually bought the purge thing off of them. I bought the bottle opener. I bought the heater. I bought all that stuff separately. And, they were so helpful. So if you guys are ever thinking about a kit, which I definitely recommend if you guys don't have money for a turbo or a supercharger or something like that, this wet shot kit, man, it just, the car loves it, man. It's pretty crazy. But so yeah, guys, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and pull these jets out real quick, 150 jets, and throw the 100 shot jets in. And the car hasn't started in almost like a month, so I'll start this thing up for you guys right now. You guys can hear it, and then I think that's gonna be a wrap for the video, man. Alright, man, that's all it takes literally to put the 100 shot pills in. So go ahead and do it for the video. Like I said, guys, a little discussion video today. Sorry there wasn't no action-packed video today, man. I just figured I would bring you guys something instead of nothing. Let you guys know what happened. And yeah, man, I'm not too bummed about it. I'm still happy the car's running. I'm still happy I can make it to 2K with the car. I'm still happy I'm gonna be able to drag race it on nitrous. You gotta keep your head up on these type of things. So the car's gonna be good, man. We're gonna take it to 2K next week. In 2 weeks, and then we're gonna full send this thing. Just to tell you guys, I got some bias plies for the car, so we're gonna be able to launch a lot harder than North Carolina, man. So stay tuned for that. The car hasn't started up in a while, so I'll give you guys a little startup real quick. Alright guys, that exhaust note is going to change today actually. That's going to be the next video. I'm installing some new mufflers on this car, so you guys can look forward to that. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, man. In the last video I told you guys I was giving the drag pack away. The drag pack giveaway actually ended last night, man. So someone's going to be winning. Special winner is going to be winning tomorrow, man. So stay tuned on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for all the continued support, man. It means the world to me. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Catch y'all later, man. Peace.
Now I can never do nothing right. Spending days aside trying to figure out myself. I don't wanna live, don't wanna die. I don't wanna fight, but it's hard when I hate myself. Spending every day, wonder why. I don't wanna lie, but the truth never really get felt. Got me guessing if I'm really